first morning here in Singapore. We're just out here at the balcony of our hotel. Okay, so this is our view from the balcony. Beautiful shop houses. National Cancer Center, Singapore, that building. Condos. Oh, ito. This is the Potato Head building. Right here in the corner. And Tanjong Pagar, Oasia Hotel, Carlton City. So nice to wake up in Singapore, right? Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is Cherry from Edmonton, Canada, and right now I'm here in Singapore together with my kids. So today is our day 1 to explore the city. So dumating kami kahapon ng hapon, nakapag-explore lang ng konti sa airport. Well, actually mostly my kids, they were able to check na the Jewel, saglit lang. Pero ako hindi na, but then anyway, we have another day naman to include that in our itinerary. So for today, medyo tanghali na kami lumabas, so mag-alas 12 na. So the first thing we're gonna do is to have lunch. And luckily, merong Shake Shack na malapit lang dito sa tinutulayan naming hotel, which is the Butternut Tree Hotel here in Chinatown. So walking distance lang siya. My son has been asking for Shake Shack since yesterday. So finally, it's happening. So yung mga anak ko, actually, they're on the way na. They're ahead of me. Kain muna sa Shake Shack for lunch before we explore the rest of the city. So this is the Shake Shack at Neil Road. On that area is Maxwell Station. And then over here, itong malaking structure na to, this is the Pinnacle Condominium. Okay, let's go. We're starving. Here we go. Oh, okay, here's the menu. Residan. Okay, this is the menu, guys. Oh, just check na lang. Ito yung kanilang Singapore exclusive pandan shake. There's our order. This is the root beer float. This is 50-50. 50 lemonade, 50 what? Sa akin diet coke. Small lang.
Wait, which one is the chili and which one is the ketchup?
This looks like chili. This is the ketchup. Ito yung cheese for the fries. Hamburger. This one. Yan na si Shack. Oh, yan na. Sa'yo yan. Shack burger. Can I see your smoke shack? Oh, looks yum. Okay, yung sa akin simple lang kasi dito may mga time na ayoko ng cheese. Pero gusto ko yung may lettuce and tomato. Ayun lang, simple lang. Of course, if you're in Singapore, very common yung ganito, chili. Merong chili dispenser. Actually, they use more chili than ketchup. Lunch muna tayo. Cherry pepper? Spicy?
Not for me.
Let's try now with the ketchup first and then hot sauce. You guys hungry? Super hungry? Spicy. You like the burger? It's quality, no? We're all hungry. We're just walking in the neighborhood. Nandito kami sa Neil Road. Dito merong Maxwell MRT station. Okay, we're taking the MRT and we're gonna go to City Hall area first. So ito yung MRT map ng Singapore. Ang dami na nung nakatira pa ako dito, meron lang yung green line, red line, and purple line. So everything else was new. Right now, we're here, Maxwell. We're gonna go to City Hall. So we're gonna stop here at Marina Bay, go to red line. This brown line and then red line. And by the way, we used to live here. Dito kami sa Bedok area. Yung 3 years namin. Malapit siya sa airport. So to go to airport, Tanamera and then Changi Airport. Kailangan ko palang masanay kasi yun, nasanay na ako sa Canada ng katulad nito sa mga escalator. Usually we go stay at the right, pero dito they stay on the left. Priority yon, dito kakaitan.
Ikaw daw priority kasi
Alright. Sabi nung anak ko, doon daw ako sa priority. Loka to. Can't believe it, we're back in Singapore. Pero coming here, it just feels like when during the time na I was still living here, ganun lang. Na para bang matagal na ako dito, ganun yung feeling. Okay, train's coming soon. Ayun 1 minute. Coming soon, the next one is 7 minutes. Yeah, that's what I love here in Singapore. It's like everything is predictable. So it's easy to plan yung mga lakad dito.
Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Shenzhen Way. 3号 Marina Bay. 滨海湾. Change at the next station for the Circle Line or North-South Line. Or North-South Line.
We'll figure out. We're going to NSL. Yung red line. Kasi that one will stop at City Hall na mismo. Ayun, galing. Meron na rin silang map ng different levels. If you wanna go, we came from second level. From the third level, then we go up second level for the transfer link. This is commuting be like in Singapore with the comfort of aircon. Ang taas pala. Itong dalawa, marunong na silang magbasa ng mapa. Tinuturuan na nila ako. May mga flags kasi malapit na ang NDP. Today is Sunday, kaya super quiet ang MRT. My son is trying yung blind path. He was trying daw how it feels like using one. Yeah, it takes a while to walk because that's a different platform, the red line. Yeah, this brown line is new. I've never tried this before. Prepared siya, meron siyang electric fan. Okay, so we're out here. Punta kami ng Raffles City. So we have to tap out, guys.
Very good.
There you go, Raffles City. Dito ako laging dumadaan dati nung nag-work pa ako kasi yung dati naming office, malapit lang dito. Mamaya pupunta kami sa area na yon, sa tapat ng Funan Digital Mall. Yan. There you go. Welcome to Raffles City. Ay, wala na yung dating, wala na yung Starbucks dyan, oh. Paris Baguette na siya. This used to be Starbucks, my son. And then the... We're always here, most of the time. Feels familiar? Oh, diba? This used to be Starbucks, darling. Oh no, wala na yung access to McDonald's. And we're always at McDonald's before when you go there. Kaya lang naka-close na. See, napansin ng anak ko na familiar. Sabi niya, have you been here before? Oh, may matcha coffee dito. Ah, the Starbucks moved there. Tapos kainan dito sa babae. This is food court here. At the lower part, a bunch of restaurants here. Open pa rin pala yung Desigual, oh. Mamaya I'll check that. Kasi yung mga anak ko, nandito sila sa Mango, nagtititingin. May nakita yung anak ko na nagustuhan niya. Mahilig kasi sa sharks. Tapos naka-sale. Yan. And then he's asking kung magkano daw yung tax. So syempre nasanay kami sa Canada na iba yung presyo na doon sa bilihin. Hindi pa yun yung final na babayaran mo when you go to the cashier plus tax. Dito naman, inclusive na. Okay, it's my turn naman. Where's Muji? To the right. Where's Muji? Oh my God. Oh, ayan. May binubulong yung dalaga. Muji. Sa tabi ng food court. Oh, you wanna go Muji? Sige, go ahead. I'll just check the Sigual. Oh, ayan. Iniwanan na nila ako. Nagpunta na silang Muji. Itong mga style ng Desigual. Itong mga style ko. This one, oh, I like this one. Kaya lang di siya naka-sale. So, may mga naka-sale, oh. Sarap magtingin. Daming magaganda. Pero, yeah. I need to be disciplined. It's just the start of our week here. So, wag muna ako mag-shopping. Our shopping schedule is around in the middle of the week. Kasi may hirap yung gastos ka naggastos. Kakasimula pa lang ng linggo. Tapos, later on, marami kang makikitang mas maganda pala. Okay, check ko na nga yung mga Janakis ko dito. Probably they went gaga na. Sabi ko, ba't ang bango? Meron pala sila ditong restaurant, oh. Bango ng food. So, ito yung menu nila ng food dito sa Muji, oh. Mukhang popular siya kasi punong-puno, eh. May mga nakapila pa. For deli set for 20.80. Tapos yung mga dessert nila, parang ang sarap din. Nakita ko yung mga nag-order kanina. Ah, ito yung yung eating area. Meron din silang kape. But I really need coffee kasi malapit na naman ako antukin. Kapag mga bandang alas 2, alas 3 ng hapon, mamaya antukin na naman ako. So I really need coffee later. Pero in fairness, last night, medyo mahaba-haba na yung tulog ko. Nakatulog na ako ng around 4 to 5 hours. Pero it's just weird na pagpatak ng 3 a.m. parang automatic bubuka yung mata ko, magigising na ako. Although I really tried na makatulog ulit. Nakatulog naman ako and then I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning. And then inayos ko lang yung luggage namin. Kaya medyo natagalan kami ng labas nitong magto-12 p.m. na kami nakalabas. So itong aking mga Junakis. What have you seen so far?
Look at this part.
What is that? What is that? Metal for what? Just container? Card container. Okay. Ano? Marami ka nang gusto? Ay, nako. Ito si Shoppingera. Ayan See? Ayan ko muna sila doon. Yeah, by the way, since lumabas kami na ng alas 12 na, so siguro itong lakad na to hanggang alas 9 na. Pero of course, we will be resting in between. Nakikita pala ang Raffles Hotel dito sa may Muguji, dito sa Raffles City. Tapos katapat niyan yung Carlton Hotel, which can be found here at North Bridge Road. Tapos dito, itong Chimes, marami rin kainan dyan. Actually, I don't know kung matutuloy kami. Originally, I planned Gyukaku. May Gyukaku dyan, pero we might skip Gyukaku siguro. We'll try something else naman. Look at this signage. Washroom, 30 meters. Diba? Such a small detail, but it helps a lot. Kasi alam mo kung gaano kalayo yung washroom na pupuntahan mo. Nandito pa rin pala yung The Food Place. Yung food court dito sa mall. Nagtitingin ako saan masarap magkape. Pagkatapos ng mga anak ko sa Muji, nagyaya ako magkape. Kailangan ko ng energy at hindi ko kayang i-match yung energy nila, grabe. So yung mga hawker food stall, just like that, a very common na kainan dito sa Singapore. Although kapag ganyan na nasa mall na, usually mas mahal na yan. Ang mga mura yung mga hawker stalls na naka-install usually within the residences. Sa nasa baba ng building or sa market area na malapit sa mga HDB o yung mga tinatawag na apartments ng mga Singaporean dito. They call it HDB because it's being built by HDB. Ano ba ibig sabihin yun? House or Home Development Board, and subsidized by the government for, of course, for the citizens and their residents. Itong cafe dito sa taas looks cool also, PS Cafe. Although yung Paris Baguette, I'm seeing it everywhere here in Singapore. Hindi ko napansin itong cafe yet. We're gonna check. Pero alam ng mga anak ko yung Paris Baguette. I don't know how they know. Maybe social media. Pero kung may kape doon, maybe we could try in there later. Pasok na tayo dito sa food court. Kaya to. So, pwede rin. Dito na lang pala kami magkape. Mas mura pa. Oh my God, that familiar smell. Dito, suki rin kami dito dati ng mga Junakis ko nung time na nandito kami. Yung mga anak ko maliliit pa, they're like 2 and 5. Then umalis sila dito. Nung umalis kami dito, they're 7 and 4. Oh my. Ayan oh. This one also looks good oh. Okay, so yeah. Dito ko yayain magkape yung dalawa. Pwede kami magkaya toast and coffee tea. Kung pagising. Of course, chicken rice. There you go, let's go. Who wants kaya toast and coffee?
Sige.
Chicken rice.
Ano, chicken rice for snack? Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Ano, what's wrong with it? Oh, pwede raw merienda ang chicken rice. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. Yan na. Saan ka na? Kaya butter toast, tsaka coffee tea. Hindi po siya nagbibiro. Mag-chicken rice talaga siya. At yun ang gusto niya, yung 3 treasure rice, tatlong klase ng meat. Para matry right away.
Just 3 treasure.
So yan yung mga coffee nila dito. Yan o. Coffee O, coffee C, te, Tessie, Yuan Yang, Milo. Coffee C ako with condensed milk. Yeah. And then,
Casey.
we're gonna try yung ice yuan yang. So we're going for that. Yung traditional Hainanese kaya butter toast set with egg. Yan. So they're preparing it. Yung ano na lang, kaya toast na lang. Here's your coffee, my son. It's hot, ah. Here's your coffee. And this is our kaya toast. Yan, nagsishare na lang kami ni Yana po. So this whole thing, $10 lang siya. The yuan yang pala is a combination of tea and coffee, no? So this is the soft-boiled egg. No? And then we'll add our soy sauce. Ayaw. Bad at this. Yun. White ground pepper. Let's mix. Look at how yellow that is. Pag gusto kong kanya, hindi masyadong halo. Okay, dig in. Super super spicy, sabi niya. But it's good. The meat is good though. Like, which one is spicy? Everything spicy or just the sauce? Ah, they put chili on the rice. Ah, you put chili. Okay. You want pain di ba? You want some pain. Okay, now let's try yung ano. Ay, na-miss ko to. Paborito ko to. Kaya toast. For breakfast usually, pero available any time of the day. Yeah, that's how you do it. Sausaw. Ayan. Sarap. Masarap yung combination ng malat-alat yung butter, tapos matamis yung kaya toast. Tapos tinawsaw mo sa egg, creamy, with the soy sauce, savory. And this coffee tea, I so needed this one. Kailangan ko ng energy. Kape tayo. Oh, sarap. Oh, this is what I needed right now. By the way, this is only $2.
No, I don't want to have to go to the military.
No, what I'm saying is I'll be staying here. You guys go back to Canada.
No.
Why not? You want to stay with me? You here?
But then I'll leave when I'm 17, spend a year in Canada, and come back. And I'm going to go to the military.
Pinapauwi ko na sila sa Canada. Bigla ko na lang maiwan. Dito na ako sa Singapore. Ayaw daw niya mag-NS, yung National Service. Kasi pag dito pa lumaki, kasi kung halimbawa dito kami nagtuloy-tuloy noon, kung na-resident kami at lumaki siya dito. So he will have to undergo the national service. 2 years din, parang sa Korea. Okay, so I'm just chilling out here habang yung mga anak ko, check ng mga shops dyan, may mga kung ano ng mga trinkets na pangkabataan. Yan lang, nakikita ko sila. While me, okay, nandito lang, chilling lang. I'm waiting for the coffee to kick in. I'm just immersing myself. I'm just feeling the vibe of being in Singapore again. Talagang I really love it here eh. Ang cute niya oh. Patingin. What did you buy? Oh, this one. Let's open this later. Di ba surprise to?
Yeah.
What do you call this again?
It's whiskey.
Dismiss key. Ano yung hawak niya? Ah, okay.
Yung moving series.
Moving series. And kung ano-ano, mga notebook.
Clinicals.
For clinic files. Do you like the watermelon niya called Ilan? Huh, gusto niya. Okay, so now we went down here at City Hall Station. Kasi moving on to the next place we're going, which is the Funan Mall.